Hey guys, I'm Jay Bretz, the owner of Excel Roofing, and today I am with a very satisfied customer, and this is Henry Jones.
So this is the first claim that I've ever made, and I happened to hear your commercials. You guys were out in my neighborhood, so I went out, asked the neighbors how satisfied they were with you guys, and they were just ecstatic. They had nothing but good things to say. I watched your crews, how they worked. So I happened to just call, and I got Eric.
Eric is one of our project managers, and he is good.
Very friendly on the phone. He told me, hey, look, we're busy. It's a busy season. We're going to get to you as soon as we can. Well, you know what? He was there the next day. Came out, answered all my questions. Everything went smoothly. The guys I was really shocked, and so was my neighbors, because I live in a ranch. Your crew was in and out in one day. Everything was cleaned up really well. I mean, they did a good job cleaning everything up. Eric followed up the next day and made sure everything was nice and smooth. And the roof looks good. There's some of my neighbors that have some sort of experience in roofing. They even looked at it and they said, this is a Class A job. So I'm really impressed. And the customer service is just really great with you guys. Eric walked me through the insurance process. If you have never made a claim, you don't know what you don't know. What I liked about Eric and your company is you make yourself available 24/7.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.